Hello guys, my family, my friends, old and new subscriber, you're highly welcome to my channel. In today's video, I want to talk about common sickness that affect us in our home. Is this sickness we like call it or whatever? And how to treat it. We want to talk about eye problem, ear problem, nose problem, heartburn, strong cough, and what again? I have 7. I've mentioned 5 here. And what are we going to use for the remedy? Fertility leaf. I so much love this leaf. This leaf they give me jara. Anything what I want to use and do, they give me jara. So let me go straight to the video. If you are having eye problem, you pound this fertility leaf, ogushiri leaf, pound it, sieve it, use the water and put in a ragolis, cut bitter kola, pound the bitter kola and mix it with that ogushiri water that you have sieved. Be applying it in your eye morning, afternoon and night. Any kind of eye problem you have, do it until you see results. For those that is having ear problem, maybe bleeding or any kind of ear problem, by the special grace of God, you're going to use this same fertility leaf to sieve it. Wash the pound it in a mortar, add water into it and filter it, and throw away the shaft, use the main water and apply it in your ear until you see results. For those that is having serious chest pain and heartburn, you're going to get this leaf, chew it, put it in your mouth, chew it, be chewing it every time until you see your result. But I assure you that you're going to see results immediately. You see result. It depends how great is your chest pain and your heartburn, all those kind of things, and your cough. You're going to chew it, but you are not going to swallow the leaf. You're going to throw away you only take away the juice, drink it and throw away the chaff of the leaf. Then those that have bleeding, if you know you have bleeding in wound, even though it's your child, use the water and put it inside your nose. The bleeding will stop. Immediately without too much talk. Then those that is having what? Nose problem. What did I mention here? Those that is having, if you're having toothache and soft throat, let me take it. For those that are having soft throat, you have to drink the water. Be drinking the fertility water that you pound it and sieve it, or you can chew the leaf by itself and swallow it. It will make that soft throat to go away. My neighbor called me. So those that is having soft throat, you drink the water. When you drink it, you be doing it until you see results. Those that is having what are they calling itself? God, I forgot to toothache. Though you know you're having teeth problem, you drink the water. No, you're not going to drink it. You take the water, hold the water on where your teeth is disturbing you. If it is here, you just hang here. I don't have water here. If not, I should have showed you. Oh my God. But at least you understand what I'm saying. If you have question, please ask your question there. So that is all for the health benefit of fertility leaf I know now. So in my next video, I'll be uploading on this fertility leaf, how to use it to treat a deadly sickness like stroke. What stroke and waiting again? Stroke. I forget. Stroke. And a chere. I don't know whether they call it a chere. Yes. In English language, I understand it well, is a Calabar belt. It's like, when I upload that video, I'm going to explain how that Calabar belt used to do. It used to kill somebody in less than 1 week or 2 weeks. No turning back. So stay tuned in my next video. See you in my next video. Love you guys. Say you please encourage me, like, subscribe, turn off your notification bell, so whenever I upload a video, you will notify in health benefit and in spiritual benefit. Love you guys. Mwah.